Yogurt is a satisfying, versatile ingredient that you can stir into many sweet or savory dishes or enjoy on its own. Fresh, homemade yogurt is arguably more delicious than anything sold at the grocery store, and making yogurt at home means you can control the ingredients and tailor the flavor to your tastes.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best yogurt makers in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Cuisine Yogurt Maker YMX650. Making yogurt is a breeze in this machine, which receives consistent high reviews for its ease of use and consistent results. Rather than fermenting the yogurt in one large container, this maker uses individual 6-ounce jars, allowing you to mix and match your flavors, if desired, and to move easily from yogurt maker to fridge without scooping your yogurt into a new container. To use the machine, simply whisk your starter culture into your milk and pour it into the jars, then set for the desired number of hours. You can make all 7 jars at once, but you can also make just a few jars if you go through yogurt slowly. An automatic shut-off feature means it will stop incubating your yogurt after 15 hours. Number 2. Cuisine YM80 Yogurt Maker. Saving money doesn't mean you have to sacrifice performance, and the Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker proves that. Like the more expensive Cuisine model, this electric yogurt machine comes with 7 6-ounce glass containers that you can arrange in a 9.5x 9.5x 6-inch base to make 42 ounces of yogurt in one cycle. On the front of the machine sits an on-off switch that controls an indicator light that lets you know when the yogurt maker is running. Even though there's no digital display, the time markings on the side will show you where your yogurt is in the fermentation cycle, which typically takes 6 to 10 hours with this machine. Our tester loved the simple design and how easy it was to make yogurt with this machine. She also really liked the individually portioned glass grab-and-go containers, which allow you to make up to 7 different types of yogurts at once if that's something you want to do, though you don't need to use all 7 every time you use the maker. Number 3. Cuisine 2-quart Greek Yogurt Maker. The Cuisine Greek Yogurt Maker was designed with limited counter space in mind. At 7.5 by 7.5 by 10.5 inches and 4 pounds, this yogurt machine packs a lot of function into a small design. It features a timer that you can use to monitor your yogurt fermentation process and a glass jar that fits snugly inside the outer compartment. And even though the Cuisine yogurt machine is compact, it can make up to 2 quarts, or 8 cups, of yogurt at a time, the same amount as other bulkier models on this list. As a bonus, it comes with a stainless steel thermometer and a cotton bag that you can use to make Greek yogurt. It also comes in green, red, and white, so if you want to leave it on your counter, you can choose the option that best fits your kitchen aesthetic. Number 4. Country Trading Company Stainless Steel Yogurt Maker. On the other end of the spectrum sits the culture-covered stainless steel yogurt maker, which combines function and simplicity in a low-tech, or really, no-tech, design. This non-electric yogurt maker comes with a stainless steel flask and a 1-quart glass jar with a lid. You make yogurt by heating your milk, mixing it with your starter, putting it in the glass jar, and then securing it in the stainless steel flask, which is designed to hold on to heat for the 8 to 12 hours it takes to make the yogurt. There are no buttons, timers, or fancy features, but it gets the job done with minimal effort. It also comes with a 42-page yogurt recipe book that guides you through making all types of yogurt, from lactose-free to a 2% milk yogurt to non-dairy yogurt. Number 5. Cuisine GY50 Greek Yogurt Maker. If you want to make the thickest Greek yogurt possible, a yogurt strainer is a necessity. The setup is simple. Yogurt is placed in a fine mesh strainer that fits into a bowl. The yogurt is placed in the refrigerator for several hours to drain. Gravity does all the work for you. The strainer will separate liquid whey from your yogurt. You can use a strainer-style Greek yogurt maker to thicken store-bought or homemade yogurt, too. It's a great option if you don't like the idea of cooking your own yogurt or you come across a sale on regular yogurt and want to transform it into Greek yogurt to make breakfast parfaits or homemade tzatziki. That was our list of the top 5 best yogurt makers in 2023 just for you.